What is up, YouTube? What is up, my trading family? Hope you guys are having a good day so far. It's Monday. You guys have started your week off great. Um, I've been getting some questions about trading, how people can, you know, questions with back testing and how they can be more productive in learning in their trading. So I'm gonna play a quick video for you guys, a short motivational speech that I find very powerful, um, and then I'll give you my insight after the video. So let's get into it.
If you only have 24 hours in a day, your success is dependent upon how you use the 24. You got to hear me. People talk about Oprah Winfrey, Ted Turner, Warren Buffett. Listen to me. I don't care how much money you make. You only get 24 hours in a day. And the difference between Oprah and the person that's broke is Oprah uses her 24 hours wisely. That's it. Listen to me. That's it. You get 24. I don't care if you broke, you grew up broke. I don't care if you grew up rich. I don't care if you're in college, you're not in college. You only get 24 hours. And I blew up literally. I went from being a high school dropout to selling 6,000 books in less than 6 months. What happened? In my 24 hours. I was like, okay, Eric, you got to get a grip on your 24 hours because you're about to be broke for the rest of your life. And that's all I need you to do for me. I can tell you all about your life if you just write down your 24-hour schedule for me and you let me look at it. I can tell you where you're going to be in 5 years. I can tell you where you're going to be in 10 years. I can tell you where you're going to be in 20 years if you keep that schedule.
Yep. And that is all facts. That is all facts, right? So this is all facts. But why? Why is that facts? Why is what you do in your 24 hours so important? What? Well, people ask me, how did I get good at trading? And, I tell them, it wasn't from sitting there and hoping that I would get better at trading. It's because I would put in 11, 12 hours plus sometimes on the weekends, more than 12 hours. But on a weekday, 11, 12 hours a day, even when I had a 8-hour job at the time. And I was only sleeping for maybe 4 to 5 hours a night, even on the weekends. Yep, even on the weekends, 4 to 5 hours. And what's the first thing I would do when I would wake up? I would hit my routine, maybe a workout, and guess what I was doing? On the charts. I was getting on the charts, right? So it didn't just come to me naturally, right? I had to put in the time and the effort to force myself to practice and force my brain to learn every day. And this is what a lot of people don't realize. Trading isn't a hobby. Trading isn't some hobby that you can just go to every now and then and think, oh, I'm gonna look at the charts for 10 minutes today and not back test for an hour or 2 hours or 5 hours. uh you know so if you treat this like a hobby, i can guarantee you I can guarantee you 100% you will not make any money from trading. You know, it is personal, and it's your personal business. And let's be honest here, you all started trading for the same reasons. You all started trading for the same reasons. Now, your guys' why might be different. Everybody's why might be different, but you all started trading for the same reasons. And what reasons are those? One, to have time freedom, right? You started trading because you wanted to have that time freedom. And number two is to be able to provide for your family at any given time when needed, right? Time freedom and providing for your family. So your why is different, but the root of your reason for trading, everybody's got the same reason. And let's be honest, neither one of these are easy to achieve. Neither one. Your time freedom and being able to provide comfortably for your family isn't easy, right? And it's only going to be harder, especially if you aren't putting in the effort that you know you could put in. Everybody knows that they could do more. You can do more in your day. Stop watching Netflix series, get off social media, stop scrolling on TikTok, Snapchat, whatever it is that you do to waste your time. Play video games. You know who you are. You know who you are. You know who I'm talking to. So it, when you catch yourself scrolling on social media, the next time you guys catch yourself doing this, I want you to say to yourself, you know, damn, I'm really not doing everything that I could be doing today, right? I mean, hypothetically speaking, obviously it's not nighttime yet where I'm at, but say hypothetically speaking, say, it's 9 o'clock at night and maybe you didn't listen to an audiobook yet. You didn't market. You didn't do any prospect calls. You haven't even worked out yet. And it's almost time for you to go to bed, right? So catch yourself. Stop going to places that you don't need to go to, seeing people that you don't need to see, wasting gas, wasting money, uh, hanging around bums and people that don't help you level up in any way. People that do the same shit. Stop listening to your coworkers about what's wrong or what's right and what's wrong. They've been doing the same job for 20 plus years. They don't know shit. They don't know shit. And they don't. You know for a fact that your coworkers that have been working at the same place of employment for 10, 15, 20 plus years, they don't know shit. Why is that? Because they have been doing the same routines for all those years. Wake up, go to work, come home, watch Netflix, go to sleep, and repeat that. Wake up, go to work, come home, watch Netflix, and go to sleep. And if you're one of these people, if you're watching this video and if you're one of these people, I hope this message makes you upset. And and you know, I hope it makes you upset because you're who I'm speaking to. So don't dream, and dreams only happen in your sleep. Don't dream, don't wish for things because that doesn't get a job done, right? Manifest, manifest. Say, I am so happy and grateful now that I already have what I want in my life. Stop. Oh, I wish I had $5,000 a week. Oh, I wish I had a nicer car. Stop wishing for it. Manifest it and go work, right? So if you don't know, um, if you don't know what more you could be doing for your 24 hours, I posted in my chat 24 things that I can do for 1 hour every day. So if you want to read that list, um, click on the link below in the description box below and go to the pinned messages. You can even search, you can even type in for the message and check out the list. Check out the list of 24 things that I can do for 1 hour every day to make my day more productive, right? And that's my message to you guys that always ask me how I've gotten to the level of trading that I am at now. So if you guys like this video and if you like this message, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below, comment down below something that you do to stay productive throughout your day. So let's get this money. It's Monday. We got a nice trading week ahead of us, and catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.